the ceiling, a bloop in the wall. Something in my closet's making government calls. Got a clipboard man in a beige sedan saying, "Sir, don't panic, we've got a plan." They scan my floorboard, sniff my van, said every squeak is a classified event. They wear shades at night, talking beats and tones, cataloging whispers through their microphones. Oh, the Bureau of Strange Noises. They know what's humming under your bed, from the buzzing fridge to the ghost in your shed. They've got clipboards for the sounds in your head. Yeah, the Bureau of Strange Noises. They're tapping on your walls tonight. Neighbor says her blender screams in C. Now it's under federal custody. They traced my faucet's rimming drip to a spy from the plumbing mothership. Filed a form for my squeaky chair, said that's evidence, handle with care. They classify static, label each creak, and brief the nation once a week. Oh, the Bureau of Strange Noises. They're humming through your radio dial with a funk that's spooky and bureaucratic style. They're stamping papers to your floorboard smile. Yeah, the Bureau of Strange Noises, grooving in fluorescent light. They raided my toaster at 4 a.m. Said there's feedback waves inside of them. The agent nodded, said, "Son, it's true. Your house is singing government blues." They filed a report, top secret case. Subject execs of Butsley Bay. So the Bureau of Strange Noises. They know your echoes, hums, and sighs. Every door creak, every midnight fly is a mystery they'll analyze. Yeah, the Bureau of Strange Noises, keeping your silence classified. There's a rhythm in the pipes, a melody in the floor. A bureaucrat with a clipboard says, "Play me more." Slap the bass, hear the vents confess, they're jamming in the evidence. They sense on your grooves, a national threat is the funkiest case we've found. Yeah.